City alternatives are changing forever. Here's why. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again, and in this video I'm going to be talking about what city alternatives have for us in this new year 2020, as well as some new assumptions that are coming to this iOS community. So without any further ado, please be sure to check out my second channel, check out my Twitter, Instagram, all the social medias linked down below. Please be sure to check those out. Those are very important, and of course subscribe and like the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and of course let's begin. So here's some big news about Tweakbox. Now Tweakbox has been down for around 4 months, if not a little more than that. Everyone's been speculating as to what's going on. Here is the reality. So far, as the tweets go and conversations between devs and Nasho and all that stuff, Tweakbox is gone. As in, the apps that they're signing are no longer available. They do not sign pirated apps anymore. Tweakbox did tweet out saying that they're done with piracy and stuff like that, so that is a bummer for them, but they're actually not done with their service. They did say that they're done signing piracy apps and all those apps that they don't allow on the App Store, but they are going to continue to give us some more content on their Tweakbox website. So they're going to be adding new sections to Tweakbox and all that stuff. They actually have some new ideas stirring up, so they're probably going to do that. Around the next month, they should come out and release some of that stuff. So stay tuned with Tweakbox, guys. We got to support them in what they do. They're also doing this special thing where some new apps that have gone free. So basically an app costs like $1 or $2 and now it's free, so they're basically putting that in a section, which is kind of cool, so please be sure to check that out. The tweets above, you guys can see that they're moving, so I just wanted to get that out there, that Tweakbox is not coming back. If for some odd reason Tweakbox decides to come back, I will let you guys know about that in a quick video, updating you guys as to what's going on. For our other piece of news, this random guy, I'm not going to say his name because I'm not trying to give power to him, decides to revoke the applications, and basically he sends an email to Apple saying, hey, this website or this certificate is actually being used maliciously. So basically they send it to Apple and Apple revokes it, which means everyone's devices have the apps that are grayed out or you can no longer open them. So that's basically what it is. This guy did troll around and tweet out saying he's going to be done revoking these applications in 2020 January 1st, but as you guys know, people aren't as nice as they seem. So basically he's actually going to continue to revoke these applications. I'm not exactly sure why, because he's not really gaining any money from it or any clout specifically, so he's just kind of doing it for fun. These certificates do cost tons and tons of money from these city alternatives like Appvalley and Ignition. They do cost them tons of money, and the sad part is, if this continues to happen, there cannot be a free service, which is why I'm going to get into my next topic in a second. So this guy, he continues to revoke them, and they have to keep purchasing them every couple of days, which is, believe me, like thousands of dollars wasted just because someone reported it. But yeah guys, these revokes will continue to happen. If you do have a jailbreak, use the uncover, I call it the uncover tool. It's not an uncover tool, basically it's 3U tools. Look it up, it's only for Windows. Install it and you guys can basically jailbreak your device, and it'll install the uncover application onto your device, which is really cool, guys. So that's how I got my iPhone jailbroken again, which is dope. On to our next piece. Ignition is actually coming out with their new signing service. Now the only difference between this one and actual like Ignition is the free part. So this is going to be called Ignition Plus. Ignition did say that they're going to change it, and they're going to, you know, see how much money they need to make for that, but it's going to be totally cool. It's going to be like a monthly, like month-to-month basis, so you're going to have to pay like that. I'm sure they're going to have like yearly plans as well, which is going to be dope. But the news is fresh, so they can change how they're going to do things. So the reason why they're doing this is because of all the revokes that are happening. They feel that if there's a paid service, there's less of a chance for someone to report it. They did say something about that, how they're going to do it per device, not, you know, your whole family's devices and stuff. Basically, my speculation is that eventually these revokes will continue to happen even more often, since people love to have fun with them. I think these signing services like Ignition and Appvalley, Panhelper, all of them will basically make their VIP, and that's going to be the main source of apps, and it basically will no longer be free. I think this is the wave the iOS community is basically going to ride soon. So I'm thinking it's going to be sort of like a Netflix, Hulu type subscription, so you pay monthly base to base and they will update the apps and all that stuff. Free city alternatives aren't exactly lasting and making the same amount of profit, but who knows. You know, I'm just a YouTuber. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Have a great day. Stay tuned for more.